Alright guys, welcome back to another stream. Hope you guys are all doing well and I hope you guys are, hanging in there right now for Kaspa. Okay, now yes, yesterday we saw Kaspa dumping and that's because, we saw the entire crypto market dumping. Okay, we saw Bitcoin, Ethereum, other alts dumping. So it wasn't just Kaspa. Okay, so yeah, Kaspa did dump quite a bit yesterday. Dumped like, I believe like 10%. Okay, and it went all the way down to 11 cents. So I hope you guys took yesterday as an opportunity to buy more Kaspa because yesterday would have been the best opportunity to buy Kaspa. Okay, so I hope yesterday you guys took the opportunity. Okay, the biggest opportunity to buy Kaspa, to buy more Kaspa. And hey, listen, okay, if you didn't buy Kaspa yesterday, that's completely fine. Hope you guys are still holding your bags, still holding your positions for Kaspa, right? So in today's stream, guys, okay, I want to talk about, the Kaspa chart because understand, looking at the Kaspa chart, you guys have to understand, even though, yes, Kaspa has not been, moving, okay, for the past, over a year, okay, it's just been consolidating in between, 20 cents and 10 cents, okay? Yes, I get it. Kaspa hasn't really been moving, but understand, guys, looking at the Kaspa chart, man, it's looking much, much better than all these other altcoins, right? If you guys like truly look at other altcoins, okay, these charts for other altcoins, they have dropped quite a bit, but Kaspa, okay, has been holding up very, very well, right? It's been holding up much more, better than these other altcoins. And understand, guys, okay, the longer the consolidation we see for Kaspa, the bigger the pump, the bigger the breakout. So when we do see this breakout, that's about to happen for Kaspa because this will eventually happen, okay? Once we do see a breakout, okay, we see Kaspa going back up to 20 cents and, of course, okay, breaking that resistance of 20 cents, we're going to see a massive parabolic move happening for Kaspa. So Kaspa holders, I hope you guys are ready. So let's talk about it for today's stream. And there is, in fact, some other things that I want to talk about for Kaspa in today's stream. So looking at the Kaspa chart, guys, you guys can see as of right now, we're currently at the 1 hour time frame and Kaspa, okay, is currently at 12 cents. So yes, yesterday, as you guys can clearly see, we did see Kaspa dropping back down below 12 cents. So it did go all the way down to 11 cents, just below 12 cents. Okay, and right, Kaspa today is bouncing back up to 12 cents. So, so far it's looking looking pretty good for Kaspa right now, right? It is bouncing back up. Okay, I mean, Bitcoin's bouncing back up. Okay, a lot of altcoins today are in fact bouncing back up as well. The market today overall is up almost 5%. So, looking much, much better than when we were yesterday. Okay, we saw the crypto market dumping, and not just the crypto market, also the stock market. We saw Nvidia dropping like crazy as well, which was insane. Okay, and that pretty much what caused the crypto market to drop as well. But yeah, past 24 hours, okay, we're seeing a lot of greens today. Okay, look at XRP up 10%. Okay, Ethereum's up 4%. Okay, Bitcoin is up over 3%. Solana up almost 5%. Same with BNB. Okay, Dogecoin right now is up 6%. Cardano's up 8%. Okay, Chainlink 5%. So yeah, a lot of alts, you guys can clearly see, okay, throughout the crypto market today is pumping. Okay, so it's looking pretty good. Kaspa right now it's up 3%. So Kaspa is, slowly gaining back its momentum. It's going back up. It's currently at 12 cents. So, Kaspa is still holding up very, very well. And I told you guys, yesterday when we had that dump happening for Kaspa, there is nothing to be worried about. Okay, and the reason why I say that is because Kaspa is still above its support level. Obviously, as we know, we are in fact seeing a very, very strong, support level happening for Kaspa, okay, at this level of 10 cents. Right, you guys clearly see that every single time we see Kaspa coming back down to this level of 10 cents, it always bounces back up. Okay, you guys can clearly see that every single time. So we are in fact seeing a very, very strong support level. So I told you guys in yesterday's video when we did in fact see Kaspa dumping that we have nothing to be worried about because Kaspa is still above, the support level. It's not showing any weakness or anything like that. Okay, the only time, okay, that Kaspa will obviously be showing weakness if we do see it breaking support. Okay, so if it does break the support level of 10 cents, that means Kaspa will drop further down to the downside, but clearly we didn't see that happening. So yesterday I was not worried, and I hope you guys weren't worried. In fact, okay, instead of being, worried or panicking for Kaspa, and you shouldn't be, I hope you guys, like I said, I hope you guys took yesterday as an opportunity to buy more Kaspa. Even today is still a great day to buy some Kaspa, right? Even though, okay, it is up 3% today, okay? For the week, right, it's down pretty much almost 2%. And for the month, it's still up, right, over 3%, almost 4%. So looking pretty good for Kaspa, right, so far. Okay, even though, yes, it's not really moving, okay, but soon enough, guys, Kaspa will move. Kaspa will break its resistance, okay, so this resistance right over here of 20 cents, okay, and I told you guys many times, once we do see Kaspa coming back up, okay, to its previous highs of 20 cents, and once we actually do see it breaking this resistance line, okay, Kaspa's going to, shoot up much higher, okay, it's going to happen, guys, so be prepared for that, okay. Now, the volume today for Kaspa, nothing too crazy, okay, just below $90 million, okay. The market cap, okay, for Kaspa is holding at 3.2 billion, okay, so looking pretty good for the market cap, still above 3 billion, which is fantastic to see. Now, the hash rate, as we know, okay, yesterday it was above 1.4, so today it's still pretty much the same, 1.45 exahash. I believe the hash rate went all the way as high as 1.57 exahash, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it went all the way as high as 1.57 exahash, and I really do believe, soon enough we're going to see it at 2 exahash. It's going to happen, so be ready for that. Now, the next reduction is going to happen in less than a week time, so in the next 6 days, so that's very exciting. And the next reward, as we know, is 65 Kaspa. So everything is looking pretty good for Kaspa. Okay, today Kaspa is bouncing back up. Okay, so looking amazing. Okay, it really is. Now, guys, Kaspa price prediction for Kaspa. Okay, will it surge 10x at least? Will we see a 10x for Kaspa? Okay, so I do believe it is possible that we will see, Kaspa reaching, okay, as high as, 60 cents, or even, right, as high as $1 to even $1.50. And my most bullish scenario for Kaspa, the top, okay, this is my most bullish scenario, is around $2.50 to $3. Okay, so it is possible that we do see Kaspa reaching these price targets. Okay, now if you guys haven't seen my Kaspa price prediction for 2025 this year for this bull market, you should definitely check it out, right? Definitely check it out. Okay, if you guys haven't already, I really will appreciate that. But in that video, I pretty much tell you guys my Kaspa price prediction for this year in 2025. But yes, I do, see Kaspa reaching at least, 60 cents to $1, okay, to even $1.50. And my most bullish scenario is around $2.50 to $3. Okay, maybe it'll go higher than that. We will see. But those are my price predictions for Kaspa this bull run. And remember, guys, okay, this is going to be Kaspa's first ever bull run. Okay, Kaspa has not went through a full bull cycle, so this is going to be Kaspa's first ever bull run. Okay, and this is going to be a good one for Kaspa, right? This is going to be a great bull run for Kaspa. So Kaspa holders, be ready for that. Now, just look at this chart, guys. Right, just look at this chart. Like, how can you be bearish for Kaspa? And I feel like a lot of people are looking at the Kaspa chart, right? They're looking at this chart, and I wouldn't say a lot of people, but some people are in fact saying that this is a bearish chart. But in my opinion, I don't think it is, right? Just look at it. Okay, even though, yes, we saw Kaspa creating higher highs, okay, and then of course it couldn't create another higher high, so it dropped. Okay, and I tried again, create another high, so it dropped once again. Okay, I get that, but understand, like I said, okay, Kaspa, it's been holding up very well for over a year. Okay, it really has been, guys. Okay, and soon enough, yes, we're gonna see Kaspa going up to 20 cents and breaking that resistance. And once it does break that resistance, man, Kaspa's gonna explode, right? It's gonna go much higher than that. Okay, so Kaspa, best chart in crypto. Kaspa, best technology in crypto. I 100% agree, right? And best tokenomics, right, in crypto as well. So 14 months of consolidation is extremely bullish. Don't let the big boys shake out your bag. Okay, and that is very true. Okay, very true. Like I said, guys, the longer we see Kaspa consolidating at these levels in between 20 cents and 10 cents, the bigger the pump. Okay, the bigger the pump. So Caspa holders, please understand, okay, a massive explosion, okay, will be happening for Caspa very, very soon. So be ready for that because it's going to happen. Now, I showed you guys this before, but I just want to show you guys it again for today's stream because, you know, what's happening right now for Caspa is very, very bullish. Okay, it really, really is. So it says here, Caspa fam, if you have been holding for the past 440 days in this range, you cannot seriously be considering capitulating your bags right before alt season. The longer the range, the more parabolic the pump. Okay, so shout out to my diamond handed Caspa brothers and sisters. The wait is almost over. Okay, so it seems like, you know, a lot of people out there that are in, okay, the Caspa community, okay, we all understand Caspa is soon enough about to have a explosion. You know, we have been seeing Caspa in between 20 cents and 10 cents for over a year now. You know, it's been consolidating quite a bit, but it's been holding up very, very well, guys. Okay, it's been holding up very, very well. You know, this is a bullish pattern in my opinion, right? It really, really is. Okay, it's looking very, very bullish in my opinion, right? I'm pretty sure we can all agree on that. So understand, soon enough, guys, we know alt season is about to begin. Okay, we're about to see the Bitcoin dominance collapsing. Okay, and the Bitcoin dominance right now is actually pumping. Let's have a look here. Yeah, look at that, right? Bitcoin dominance right now, over 59%. But, you know, when alt season does begin, we're going to see this drop like crazy, guys. Okay, it's going to collapse. And every single time we see the Bitcoin dominance dropping, guys, alt season pretty much starts. So understand, alt season will start. Okay, and when alt season does begin, guys, I do believe Caspa is going to easily go up to 20 cents and breaking new highs. Okay, and Caspa's still, you know, developing, guys, right? You know, a lot of things, a lot of, you know, positive and bullish things are in fact happening for Caspa. Okay, soon enough, you know, we're going to see tier 1 listings. 10 BPS is being tested right now, and everything so far is running pretty smooth, and that's about to happen. You know, that's about to finish in like April, so that's very, very soon in the next few months. Okay, and what else is there? Smart contracts, right? Like, it's just looking very, very bullish for Caspa, guys. Okay, so I do believe Caspa this bull cycle will perform very, very well. Even though this is going to be Caspa's first ever bull cycle, I truly do believe it's going to perform amazing, okay, for its first bull cycle. So Caspa holders, be ready, okay, be prepared, because Caspa, it's not going to wait for anyone. Okay, once we see Caspa breaking that resistance of 20 cents, it's going to explode up to the upside. Okay, it's going to go parabolic. Okay, so be ready for that, guys. And yes, as we know, okay, 10 BPS is about to happen. Okay, so it says here, you're not bullish enough on a Caspa. Exchanges are going to market the shit out of Caspa, just like Bitcoin didn't need a marketing team, neither does Caspa. Okay, the visualizing text speaks for itself. Okay, so very, very bullish, guys. And as we know, right, and as we know, okay, 10 BPS is about to happen for Caspa. Okay, right now creates 1 block per second, and soon enough it will create 10 blocks per second. Okay, and then of course the big vision is, okay, 100 blocks per second, guys. Okay, 100 blocks, right? So guys, be ready for that. Okay, very soon Caspa is going to be, okay, a non-comparable level in scalability while having robust security, even better than Bitcoin, and also the same decentralization as Bitcoin. Okay, so be ready for that, guys. Very, very exciting times. Okay, Caspa is much, much faster than Bitcoin. As we know, Bitcoin does 1 block per 10 minutes. Okay, and soon enough, Caspa is going to be doing 10 blocks per second. Just think about that. Okay, just think about that, guys. That is insane, right? So understand, this is going to be huge for Caspa, right? So I want to share this with you guys because it's actually very interesting. Okay, so it says here, investing in Caspa now could position you as one of the earliest adopters. Everyone will wish they had your entry. Okay, and that's true, right? One day that's going to happen. Okay, BlockDeck technology addresses the blockchain trilemma, making Caspa potentially the most efficient peer-to-peer electronic cash system yet surpassing traditional blockchain. Explore Caspa to understand why was the standout performer of 2023. Focus on solid fundamentals rather than useless trends. Okay, in the crypto world, you don't need luck to achieve significant gains. You need proactivity. Okay, it's time to act, and I 100% do agree. I feel like a lot of people that are in fact coming into crypto, we need to focus more on fundamentals, right? Crypto tokens that have utility. Okay, but I feel like nowadays, a lot of people are coming into crypto, right? Especially the new investors slash traders. They're coming in to the crypto market looking for the next, 100x meme coin, right? Like they are planning on investing $500 to $1,000 and planning on making that into like 6 figs or 7 figs, right? That is their plan, and they want to do it as a short-term play, right? Which is insane to me. So when you guys are coming into the crypto space, especially the new investors, I highly suggest you guys look for fundamentals, tokens that have utility. Okay, even CZ mentioned this before, right? He even posted this, okay, on X. Okay, and I should have showed you guys, but yeah, I've showed you guys that before, right? But yeah, you guys should really look for things that have utility, great technology behind it, right? And I really do believe stuff like Kaspa, it's up there for sure, right? And a lot of people that are not in Kaspa right now, okay, they're gonna eventually get into Kaspa, especially the Bitcoiners, the Bitcoin holders, the Bitcoin maxis. They're gonna get into Kaspa. Like I'm telling you right now, okay, if you simply like Bitcoin, you're gonna like Kaspa. It's that simple, right? And if you like Bitcoin but you don't like Kaspa, I think you're lying. Like truly, I truly do believe you are lying at this point. Okay, so understand. Okay, the Casper community is pretty small, right? And that's a bullish thing, right? It just shows you guys how early we are for Casper, and it's true, right? Casper is very, very early, as we know. It's still developing, right? But understand, guys. Okay, Casper, okay, will be the next big thing. Okay, the future for Casper is just looking very, very bright, guys. Okay, it really, really is. So people that are not into Casper right now, I feel like a lot of people just don't know much about Casper, or they haven't found out about Casper. But once they do, I'm telling you this right now, they will go all in on Casper. Okay, they will realize that this is going to be the next big thing right behind a Bitcoin, right? So that is that. Now, if Casper were to have the same market cap of XRP, okay, that's going to put Casper at $7. And as I told you guys, right, I truly do believe Casper one day can reach the price of, $1 to $5 to $7. It is possible to $8 to even $10 and much, much higher. It is very, very possible. Now, the market cap, okay, for XRP, right, $178 billion, which is insane. Okay, 178 billion dollars coming up to 179 billion dollars. So if Casper were to have that same market cap of 4 as XRP, it will, pretty much Casper's price will pretty much be at $7. Okay, so we know one day, okay, Casper will for sure reach these price targets. Okay, it may not happen. Okay, I say may. It probably won't happen this bull run, but in the next bull run, I think that is very, very possible. I do believe in the next bull run, we're going to see a $5 Casper to even a $10 Casper in the next bull run. I think that is, very, very possible. So be ready for that, guys. Okay, be ready for that. Once Casper reaches, a dollar, I believe it's going to go to like $2, $3. Like it's going to be easier for Casper to reach, the dollar marks, right? So be ready for that, Casper holders. And yes, okay, we are all buying into Kaspa at below 20 cents right now. Okay, and Kaspa has in fact been consolidating, like I said, below 20 cents. So everyone that is buying Kaspa below 20 cents, understand, okay, you're doing amazing. You're doing an amazing thing. Okay, Kaspa is super undervalued, as we know. And people that are not buying into Casper right now, okay, they will FOMO in later. Once Casper reaches new highs, okay, of $1 and higher, okay, people will FOMO in. It's going to happen, guys. Okay, it's going to happen. I'm telling you guys this right now. Okay, we will see massive adoption happening for Casper. Okay, once Casper does become mainstream, once it's like, for example, listed on tier 1 listings like Binance, okay, Crypto.com, or even Coinbase, right? We will see Casper going mainstream, and the Casper price will rise, and people will eventually FOMO into Casper, right? People that are not simply buying into Casper right now, okay, they will FOMO in later. Please understand that, guys. Okay, it's going to happen. So, Casper holders, Everyone that is buying into Kaspa right now, right at this very second, understand this is a true blessing. Okay, it really, really is. Buying Kaspa below 20 cents right now, it's a true blessing and it's super undervalued, right? So that's why, guys, personally, I am buying and accumulating as much Casper as I possibly can right now, because we're not going to see Casper not very long now. Okay, we're not going to see Casper at these levels for that long anymore. Okay, like I said, Casper's going to break that resistance of 20 cents, and when it does, Casper's going to explode, right? So we don't have much time left for us to see Casper, at these levels of 20 cents and lower, right? So this is what I always tell you guys to, accumulate, simply DCA into Casper while we still can, while still undervalued, right? So that is that. But yeah, I'm not selling, guys. Okay, as I told you guys many times, I am, simply buying into Casper. Okay, I'm accumulating into Casper. I'm just simply holding. Okay, I'm making this a long-term play, just like what I'm doing with Bitcoin, right? I'm buying Bitcoin and I'm simply holding it, and I'm not doing anything with Bitcoin. I'm just simply hodling. I'm doing the exact same thing with Casper, as I told you guys many, many times. Okay, I am simply going all in on Bitcoin and Casper. Okay, it's that simple, because I understand where Casper's heading long term, guys. Okay, I truly do. I really do believe Casper is going to be, like I said, the next big thing. So why would I sell Casper? Okay, even this boron, okay, I probably wouldn't even sell a lot of my Casper. Okay, and call me crazy, but understand, guys, I don't care what Casper's doing short term. Okay, and I know Casper may drop, 50%. Okay, when we do see Casper pumping this year, then next year in 2026, when we do enter, the bear market, right, we're going to see a lot of alts dropping over 50%. It's going to happen. Some even over 90%. That's going to happen, right? So I really do believe Casper, I don't think it's going to drop 90%, because, during the bear market back in 2022, right, Casper's has been holding up very well. It held up much more better than all these other altcoins, okay, in the last bear market. So I really do believe with this bear market that's coming up next year in 2026, I think Casper will, hold up pretty decently, okay, compared to all these other altcoins. So the reason why, guys, like the main reason why I don't want to sell a lot of my Casper coins is because, I'm buying and I'm accumulating a lot of Casper below 20 cents. And when we do see Casper reaching new highs, okay, and we enter the next bear market, I don't think we will see Casper ever again going back down to like 20 cents and lower. Where Casper is, okay, at these levels right now, right? At this level, I don't think we will ever see Casper going back down at these levels. That's just my personal opinion, right? So that's why, guys, I want to hold majority of my Casper, because I do believe Casper is truly going to be like the next big thing, right? So I'm not selling, guys. I'm simply just buying and holding my Casper coins. Okay, I'm doing this for long term. I'm making this a long term play. I don't care what Casper's doing short term. Okay, so I'm just simply holding it for long term. Okay, and I don't care what you guys think, right? It's just my personal opinion, and you guys can do whatever you want. Taking profits, that's completely fine. Obviously, that's how you actually make money. No one has gone broke taking profits. Taking profits is actually good, but I won't take a lot of profit from Casper, right? There's other altcoins that I'm still, holding, like Solana, Ethereum, Chainlink, right? Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, right? And many more, right? And this bull run, okay, yes, I'm gonna be taking profits from those altcoins, right? And I'm gonna reinvest it into things like Bitcoin and Casper. Okay, so that's my plan, right? That's simply just what I am doing. So that is that, guys. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. That is really all I really wanted to talk about, okay, for Casper for today's stream. But yeah, Casper's up 4% today, so it's looking pretty good for Casper. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know and I'll be more than happy to answer them. So I guess I'll do a little Q&A before I end today's stream. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer it. All right, Red Pill says it's a horrible chart in a rounded top. If it breaks 10 cents, it will sink, but so far it's holding up. Let's see. It has held up so far. Yes, it is. I mean, I don't see how this is a horrible chart, in my opinion. Right? Like let's compare. Okay, let's look at the Casper chart. Right? Go to all, and you guys can clearly see it's been holding up very well. Right? You guys can clearly see that. Okay. Now let's look at something like a lot of you guys mentioned this for some reason, and I have no idea what this is, but Cubic, right? A lot of you guys mentioned this coin, and look at this. Comparing this to Kaspa, right? That's one. Let's have a look at something else. What should we pick here? V-Chain? I don't know. I'm just guessing here. Like, look, right? Look at how much it has dropped, right? Compared to something like Kaspa. What's another one? What's Litecoin doing? Has it gone back up? Yeah, like, see? So comparing it to something like Kaspa, like Kaspa's still holding up very, very well. Right? I'm pretty sure we can all agree on that. Axie Infinity, I'm just picking random ones. Like, look at this. Like, understand, Kaspa has been holding up way more better than all these other alts. So in my opinion, the Kaspa chart is looking bullish, right? In my opinion, like yeah, it's been consolidating for a year, but understand it's still above support clearly, and you know this is a very very strong support level, and I do believe Kaspa once it does, you know, gain back its momentum, running back up to 20 cents, I really do believe like this time it's going to break that resistance. Remember guys, alt season is about to begin. Next month, February, is a very, very bullish month for Kaspa. So I really do believe it's going to pump. So in my opinion, I think it's one of the most bullish charts I've ever seen. And I mean that, right? I'm not just saying that. Hey bro, when Bitcoin dominance drops, does that mean we see a crash in Bitcoin? Maybe a silly question. No, that is not a silly question at all. But that's a great question. When we do see the Bitcoin dominance dropping, yes, we will see a drop happening for Bitcoin, right? But understand when it does drop, it won't drop like a lot, right? But pretty much, guys, when the Bitcoin dominance drops, yes, that's gonna signal alt season, and pretty much what that means is all that money, instead of going into Bitcoin, it's gonna be going into altcoins. Okay, so alternative coins, right? Everything but Bitcoin. Okay, and that's why we're gonna see a lot of alts pumping. Okay, including Kaspa. How much Kaspa do you hold? I would say I'm a Kaspa dolphin. I don't like honestly. I don't want to tell you guys like how much Kaspa I hold, but yeah, I am a dolphin. That's just all you guys need to know for like so over 100,000 Kaspa coins. Kaspa going to $3, yeah, one day. It may happen this bull run. As I told you guys, like the most bullish scenario in my opinion for Kaspa is $3. So we'll see. It is possible for Kaspa to reach $3 one day. And it could happen this bull run, who knows? This is going to be Kaspa's first ever bull run. So it is very, very possible that we do see that happening. Can Kaspa coin reach up to Solana's price? No. No, it cannot. Sold all my Cardano and bought Kaspa. I mean, that's what I did too. I did that a few days ago. I literally sold all of my Cardano. By the way, if you guys haven't seen that video, you should definitely check it out. But yes, I did sell all of my Cardano, like every single of my Cardano coins for Kaspa a couple of days ago. So if you guys haven't seen that video, you should definitely check it out. But yeah, I did do that. It wasn't clickbait. And then I actually showed you guys that I did do it. We all need minimum 100,000 Kaspa. Yes, as I said, okay, in Legend, you are right. I really do believe if you guys are in Casper, I feel like all of our goals should become a Casper Dolphin at least, meaning you need at least 100,000 Casper coins. Like, I really do believe if you guys simply hold 100,000 Casper coins and just simply hold it for long term, you will be sitting on a fortune right down in the future. Not financial advice, but yeah, I really do believe that is very, very possible. Caspa is better than XRP. It will have the market of XRP as bullish, and if it goes bearish, it will have the market cap of Cardano. Yes, I 100% agree. So I do believe, yes, Caspa, its market cap will be reaching up with Cardano and XRP one day, meaning, yes, we will see, Caspa reaching $3, $4, and eventually way, way higher than that. If total reaches if the crypto total market cap, yes, if it reaches 8 trillion to 10 trillion, Bitcoin at 200 to 300k, I believe Casper can go to around $7, 7 USD, which would be around 2% of total. I mean, I don't know if that's actually possible for Casper. Like, guys, you guys know I'm very, very bullish for Casper, but I don't know if we will see Casper reaching $7 this bull run. I could be wrong, but I highly doubt it. Okay, and I want to be honest with you guys. I want to be transparent. And you guys may say I'm not bullish enough on Casper, okay? But I am, trust me. I just want to be realistic with you guys, That's the thing. But don't worry, Casper will be reaching $7 one day. But all I'm saying is, like, I don't think it will happen this bull run. But you're right, Bitcoin can reach 200 to 300k this bull run. Is very possible. And with a Bitcoin strategic reserve happening, like, I think Bitcoin can go way higher than 300k, like 400k to even 500k, 500,000. It is possible. 100,000 cash when you're rich. One day, yes. I think you will be sitting on a fortune for sure. How many Casper do you need to be a millionaire this bull market? That is a great question. And my answer to that is I'm not quite sure. I actually do not know. That's a hard one for me. Understand, guys, like, I'm not good with maths. So I honestly, like, don't know how much Casper. Like, I never thought of that, because I'm just holding Casper for long term. Obviously, it all depends on where Casper will be heading. Cubic, love both. I don't know much about Cubic, but it seems like a lot of you guys are mentioning about it in my streams. When do you think Binance will list Spot? Soon, hopefully. I mean, a couple weeks ago, Binance, they have been teasing us, right? The Casper holders, as we know, Binance, right? They have been teasing us. They've been putting out a lot of rumors on the X page, hinting at us that they will potentially be listing Casper on the exchange. So I think they will list it soon, hopefully. And that's going to be very, very bullish for Casper when that does happen. Yeah, every first bull run for any crypto goes parabolic, and Casper has a huge community will back it up. I see Casper at $3 this bull run. I'm very positive. Yes, I'm with you on that. $3 is a realistic price. But yeah, you're right. For any crypto that experiences, its first ever bull run, it does go parabolic. So yeah, it is possible that we do see Casper reaching $1. I mean, $1, I feel like that's an easy target. $2, $3. I think that's very, very possible. And do you think the current price of Casper is heavily manipulated? No. What do you think about Casper mining? It has recently become profitable. Kaspa must go up. Well, I mean, the mining, right? 89.2% mined. And this has in fact been going up quite a bit as well. And of course we know Marathon Mara Holdings, right? That company that mines Bitcoin, they're also mining Casper now. Just think about that. Like originally they were just mining Bitcoin, and now they are mining Casper as well. And that's old news, as we know. That happened like a couple months ago. But I think everything's looking fine for Casper. If Binance lists Casper high, how will it pump to? My guess is maybe close to $1 or above $1. That's my guess. $100K. Crypto Galaxy didn't expect Casper to pump from 1 cent to 10 cents. He was surprised. So I think people who say Casper will go to 50 cents or 80 cents or $1 only will be dead wrong. Casper will surpass that by a lot. Yeah, you got a point there. You make a very good point there. I mean, yeah, $1 for Casper. I think that is a easy target for it. Cubic has a low market cap. Yeah, it does. But I don't know much about it. Okay, I just see you guys mentioning Cubic in my streams. Let's see. Alright, crypto market today looking pretty good, guys. Looking much better than where it was yesterday, so that's a thumbs up. XRP is pumping 12% right now, looking pretty good for XRP. Yeah, XRP is bouncing back up. That's good. Everything is bouncing back up today, guys. So that's good to see. Sui 10%. I do believe things like Solana, Sui, they're gonna really explode. Especially Solana. I feel like Solana this born will for sure pump to new highs easily. When we know Solana recently did reach a new high of almost $300. Didn't quite get there, but it was almost there. But I do believe, projects like Solana, Sui, Chainlink will perform amazing. Even Kaspa, of course. I mean, a lot of alts will pump. I feel like a lot of AI projects will do really, really well. Same with meme coins, as we know. Okay, meme coins, they will pump. But understand, guys, with meme coins, they will drop. Yes, they will pump a lot, but eventually they will drop. So, lesson learned. I feel like a lot of us have learned a lesson, okay, with meme coins, is to simply have a exit strategy, right? Especially with memes. Always have an exit strategy, guys, with meme coins. But yeah, memes will pump, guys, but they will drop eventually like crazy. So that's that. Stop with Cubic already. We're here for Casper. You know, I want to say that, yeah, I agree. Like, I don't even know what Cubic is, guys. And that's true. We're all here for Casper. But it's fine. I don't mind if you guys mention Cubic. Memes today, are they down? Is this right? Oh, there we go. Trump meme coin is up 14% today. Going back up a little bit. It's below $30 now. You know, a lot of people are saying, you know, the Trump meme coin will go back up to its previous highs. I don't know if that's actually possible for it. We'll see though. But yeah, a lot of memes are moving today. I mean, the whole market's moving up today, so that's a good sign, right? Everything's slowly going back up. Everything's getting back its momentum, so that is great to see. But yeah, guys, hold tight for Casper. Okay, don't you guys worry. Casper will eventually be reaching new highs, so be ready for that. Okay, I'm telling you guys right now, Casper will explode. Okay, once we see Casper, okay, going back up to 20 cents, and you know, once we see a clear breakout from this resistance right over here, we're gonna see Casper going much higher. Okay, understand that, guys. It's gonna go parabolic. It's gonna explode up to the upside. So Casper holders, be ready for that, because Casper will eventually do that, right? Casper's gonna create, okay, hopefully this time another higher high, right? Hopefully. So be ready for that. But guys, I'm gonna leave you guys to it. Thank you guys so much for joining today's stream. Okay, I truly do appreciate every single one of you guys. If you guys haven't seen the videos that I've uploaded today, you should definitely check them out. I really would appreciate that. But that being said, guys, thank you guys so much for watching today's stream. Give it a thumbs up, and of course, subscribe to the channel. That is always appreciated. And you know, if you guys aren't following me on any of my social medias, my Instagram or my X page, please go ahead and follow me. It's always linked in the description down below. So go ahead and follow me if you haven't already. That's also appreciated. And I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.